So guys, it was a very good experience, a very well organized workshop. I think the best part was the opportunity we get to spend with each model and the freedom to direct her according to, like, without the pressure from peers. It was great. I think it was one of the best value for money workshop for me. And yeah, I learned good stuff about the film photography also from Girish. I think definitely it was one of the very good experience. Thank you so much.